Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Cordyceps mushroom. First, understand that Cordyceps is a unique functional mushroom, often praised for its adaptogenic qualities. It's widely available in several convenient forms, including powders, capsules, and liquid extracts. When selecting your product, prioritize quality and purity. Look for reputable brands that provide third-party testing to ensure you're getting a potent and safe supplement. This foundational step is crucial for an effective experience. Now, let's talk about how much to take. A common daily dosage for Cordyceps ranges from 1,000 milligrams to 3,000 milligrams, depending on the specific product and your individual needs. Capsules provide a straightforward and precise way to get your dose, making them simple to add to your daily regimen. If you prefer more flexibility, Cordyceps powder can be easily mixed into your morning coffee, smoothie, or even a meal. Always check the product label for specific serving suggestions. For the best results, consistency is key. Aim to take your Cordyceps supplement daily, ideally around the same time. Many people find that taking it in the morning helps support their energy and focus throughout the day. However, listen to your body and adjust as needed. Before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. Many users turn to Cordyceps for its potential to support energy levels, enhance endurance, and promote respiratory health. Some individuals also report improvements in athletic performance and overall vitality, making it a popular choice for active lifestyles. Remember, individual experiences can vary, so pay attention to how your body responds. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.